Welcome to the PocketCodr timer tutorial. Make sure the smart sensor is mounted in the holder and the target is positioned correctly. The sensor is connected to the PocketCodr through a cable. Open the PocketCodr app and view the main interface, including the sensor info, live data graph, widgets, and internal sensor signals. Drop the target on the spring, and you'll see the output light flicker as the output changes every time the target bounces in and out of the sensor detection face. Open the timer widget on your device and activate the timer function. The timer module allows for time-based conditions to be set on the selected sensor signal. Whether the application requires stretching a signal, delaying it in time, or obtaining a specific pulse duration, the module can be intuitively configured with instructions prompted by the action widget. Here, we will show you how to add a delay to avoid the sensor detecting a target that is not stabilized. First, select SSC1 as your source and set the timer to a delay value of 2000 milliseconds. Here, we will choose the delay mode. Go back to the main screen and open the Output To widget. Set its source to TSSP. Drop the target on the spring again. This time, the output light turns on only when the target remains in front of the sensing face. Congratulations! You've successfully set the timer on your smart sensor. Learn more at Automation Direct, the #1 value in automation. Click here to learn more about the PocketCodr and our entire selection of IO-Link and smart sensors. Click here for more videos.